What's up YouTube? How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be doing some stuff in the Mustang. So I went ahead, got some new stuff. These are headlights. These are not headlights. That's awkward. Taillights! Woo! Got some new taillights that we're going to be installing, and then we also have some new headlights that we're going to be installing as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out. But these are the taillights that we're throwing in there. And headlights! Woo! I'll peel this back real quick. So these are the smoked, does it say on there? Smoked axial something headlights. Kind of change up the front end. And then we've got the Raxiom taillights, V2 something. So we're gonna do the taillights first. I think they're gonna be a little bit easier than the headlights. We gotta take the bumper off, all that sort of stuff. Alright, so went ahead and took the liberty of taking off this plastic bit here, just so it was out of the way. You had one push pop here, one push pop here. You kind of just yank that thing out. Bang bang, and then there was two little quick release things at the bottom, and it came right off. I'm leaving the wires attached, but alright, then we've got looks like two bolts. You got one hiding back here and one up here. They're both 11s. And then it looks like we got the grommet for the electrical connection. And it should just come right out after that. I'm going to go ahead and do the electrical connection first. That way you don't snag any wires. Alright, that's done. Then I'll do the two bolts here. And hopefully it just comes right out. Alright, and that's out. Alright, now I think it should just come right out. For me. Ah! I lied. One more bolt. He's hiding way up here. 3 down. And I think we'll have to kind of pop this grommet through. Yep, just like that. Just kind of pushes through. And then this should come right out. Should. Yep. Alright, so this last screw over here was a little tight on there, but that came off after hitting it with the thingamajigger. Alright, that's off. Now we're going to feed our boy here, right on through there. Get that grommet right on in there, just like that. Now we'll do the little thing. We'll do the little thing like this. Looks good. Alright, screw it in. And it doesn't seem to be sitting entirely flush with it yet. So I'm hoping that once I screw these in, it'll kind of pull it closer to the car. And it'll sit nicely. Real nice. Alright, and just like that, it did pull it closer as soon as I tightened those two up. Those last two. So once I'm done, oh, and the thing fell out of the drill. Okay, once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll take a look at it again.